How to buy CrypTalk token. So this token came under the symbol of talk. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now this token is available on CoinGecko. To be able to buy this token, click on market sale as you can see, and you will be able to find this exchange platform. So select one of these that you use, for example BingX or Uniswap version 3. So after that, click on this pair and you will be able to read access to your exchange platform that you select. For example, for this example, it will be Uniswap. Now what you need to do first, connect your wallet. As you can see, select your wallet from here. I will select the Bitget wallet for that. Now click on connect. So after you connect your wallet in here, you will be able to find your token in the bottom. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with. For example, I will use the USDT Tether. Now after that, you can type here how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you sell that token. As you can see now here, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Talk token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.